Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to do the always on display comparison between the MIUI 12.5 versus the Realme UI 2.0. So right now you can see here friends, right now I'm using the MIUI 12.5 in this MI11 version, MI11 smartphone as you can see clearly, and it is a Realme X7 Pro which has got the Realme UI 2.0 update as well as you can see. So both phones are running the latest Realme UI and the MIUI in the respective phones, and right now I'll be trying to compare the always on display functionality between both the phones. So let's see which phone will be able to actually perform very good in terms of the always on display options. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends SciTech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos which are uploaded on each and every smartphone. You can find so many videos and a lot of comparison reviews with other smartphones in my channel, so don't forget to check those links in the description below friends. So let's get started with this kind of always on display functionality. So you can find the always on display functionality in the, if you go to the settings option, and there's a home screen and let me show you. If you go to settings option and in the display you can get the option where you can, if you scroll down you'll find this always on display. So same thing with the MI11 as well. So here you can find the always on display functionality, and both phones are having the same kind of this kind of theme is going on in the background as you can see friends. So few of the patterns are kind of similar, not similar, but definitely you can feel that kind of change, like that kind of similarity between both the phones. So let me try to quickly start from the beginning. So from the beginning there is an option, or in the MIUI 12.5 there is an option of having the display items. So how many seconds you can have the display, about the always on display. If you choose to have 10 seconds you can do that, or if you want always you can do that, or if you want schedule you can do that. So whereas in this phone, so once you enable that option, as you can see friends, I have enabled, and here is the option where it says power saving mode. So if you choose this kind of power saving mode, always on display will not be shown if the phone has stationary for a while. Always on display will turn off when the battery is lower than 10%, and schedule is the timing, and all day is all throughout the day it will be continuously on. So that is the first option you are getting here friends. And next option is you can directly create by clicking on this plus icon. So as you can see friends, instead of scrolling down, so if you want to create a image or any text, so if you want to add any kind of text here, so you need to try to scroll down a little bit. But here in the Realme UI 2.0 in the Realme X7 Pro, you do have this kind of option of clicking the plus icon on the top, and there you can add directly. You can add your custom pattern, and you can add your text, and you can add your text and the image. So this is completely new friends. This is the best benefit which is present in this Realme UI 2.0 update, not in the MIUI 12.5. The few things which are not present is, the first thing is the custom patterns. So where you can draw your own custom pattern. So for example, right now I did my own custom pattern which says Sai, as you can see friends. So let me try to show you. You can draw your own custom pattern similarly like this. So you can create this kind of patterns as well if you want. If you don't want to create any kind of patterns, so you can just select on the shape and go to this straight line and try to clear everything. So now come back here and try to write your own name. As you can see friends, in this way you can create your own name as well. So that's how it is very much useful and helpful as well. So that is what I feel friends in this Realme X7 Pro as well. So let me see how many text I can write here. So you can write as much as you want, as you can see. So now you can just save this kind of pattern, and you can see the text will go on displaying similarly like this. So once you click apply, you can change even the colors of the bottom ones as well, as you can see friends. So this is quite very useful and very much interesting in the Realme X7 Pro particularly. As you can see, the always on display is displaying right now with the pattern going on. So this is how it is useful friends in terms of the creating the patterns and your own styles. So this is what makes the Realme UI a completely next level customization. I would definitely recommend. So right now in this MIUI 12.5 you do have this kind of option as well, but you do have limited options which are like quite common. So first is creating the custom image. You can add your image from the gallery as well. In case if you're interested, you can add this kind of image and try to zoom in. So this is pretty kind of normal. So there's nothing like custom patterns you can create in this phone. So once you click apply, that's it, you can apply. And next is you can create your own text, and you can write your own text as well. So there is also another feature which is present here. You can align space, and you can change the colors and all those things. If you want, you can add the date and battery here. So these are the few things, and there are a couple of other given analog clocks as well, so there is nothing much you can do, so but which are kind of live clocks, as you can see, friends. So that's another good thing here. And there is no such thing as creating patterns in this MIUI 12.5. So you cannot create any kind of patterns. You can only create two things. So one, you can add the image, and two, you can add your own text. But in this Realme UI 2.0, you can add your own text, you can add your own image, you can create your own pattern. Similar like this, you can create your own pattern, friends, completely different pattern. You can write your name as well, so which I did couple of tests as well, as you can see here, friends. So in this way you can write your own designs, and you can make your own patterns. That's a very good customization which I highly recommend in this Realme UI 2.0. So once you get the update, then definitely, friends, try to use this kind of patterns for yourself in your smartphone, so you'll feel a lot of difference. And using this kind of customization is really good, because this is what I miss from the beginning of using the Realme phones. The always on display is the most underrated one for the Realme from the beginning. So finally, with the Realme UI 2.0, all the problems got solved. So you can actually create everything, friends. Create the text and the image you can add at same time. So there's so much you can do in this phone. As you can see, there's a line space, all this kind of options. So everything is same except creating your own patterns and drawing your own designs. So that is what makes the Realme UI 2.0 stand apart from this MIUI 12.5. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. Just the comparison between both the phones. And right now let me try to use the pattern, how it looks. So let me try to create let me try to select this kind of pattern, and let me try to close the screen. Both phones are closed at same time, as you can see, friends. So this is how your own pattern will look like when it's drawing, as you can see. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in description for more playlist about the live wallpapers and punch hole wallpapers what I'm using in this video. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.